Hello friends, very good morning. Well, this is Japanese Park in Rohini, also known as Swan Jayanti Park, very close to metro station, that is West Rohini metro station. This park is very popular, and not only in West Delhi, but many senior citizens, young people, people interested in health like me, they come over here. Wonderful park. People of Delhi have long been aspiring for a healthy environment. This Japanese park is a contribution in that line. Now, since I'm talking about people of Delhi, what people of Delhi aspire for? What do they want? They have long been aspiring for a good transportation, which is now available. That is metro. DTC local buses have always been available, which have now improved. Electricity is improved. Now, what do they want next? Why people voted for Aam Aadmi Party and not Congress at all, and to some extent BJP? Why? Yesterday at Jantar Mantar there was a good rally by Aam Aadmi Party, Kejriwal, Yogendra Yadav, and so many. Never in the history of our country, that is India, it happened earlier. Everybody wanted to sit on the chair, that is kursi. सब लोग कुर्सी पे बैठने को तैयार है, कोई ऑपोजिशन में बैठने को तैयार नहीं था. बट हैपनिंग द अदर वे अराउंड दिस टाइम. वाइट सो people of India never wanted re-election, but in Delhi it looks like very likelihood of president rule, also called center government rule. And as it looks, people of Delhi are ready to go for election. Now, why they want re-election? Why things are happening in a way that have never happened before like this? Something is happening in the air. Something is there. This is same Rohini. Just 2 kilometers from the direction I'm pointing, Modi came for his election rally. There is a big ground. You can see the ducks where Modi did a rally. Wonderful park. But one thing is very clear from yesterday's Jantar Mantar rally. Aam Aadmi Party, Kejriwal, they don't want to remain up till Delhi. They want to spread nationwide. But it's good. Country should also taste the success the way Delhi has done. People of India have also got the right and they also aspire what Delhi has been aspiring for. Why rest of the people of India do not want metro? They also want clean governance. I'm sure inflation will definitely come down once clean government is there, clean governance is there. Bureaucrats are good. Nobody wants bribe when you go to a government organization. Look at the way government organizations are working nowadays. Look, for example, go to any government hospital and then you go to any private hospital. There's a hell of a difference between the services or the both. Similarly, look at the private schools and the government schools. Children of government teachers, they are studying in private schools. If the government schools are good, why the children of government teachers are studying in private schools? कभी सोचा इस बारे में? सोचो. देश के लिए कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. केजरीवाल कल सही बोल रहा था. हम लोग सब सोचते रहे अभी तक देश के लिए कुछ करने के लिए.